Display size. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 6.7 inches. Vivo Y22s is 6.55 inches. Display resolution. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 1080 into 2412 pixels, with 394 ppi density. Vivo Y22s is 720 into 1612 pixels, with 270 ppi density. Display type. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Super AMOLED display. Vivo Y22s is IPS LCD display. Display protector. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Corning Gorilla Glass. Vivo Y22s is Corning Gorilla Glass. Operating system. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Android 13, Realme UI 4.0. Vivo Y22s is Android 12, FunTouch 12. Chipset. Realme 10 Pro Plus is MediaTek Dimensity 1080. Vivo Y22s is Qualcomm Snapdragon 684G. Processor. Realme 10 Pro Plus is octa-core processor. Vivo Y22s is octa-core processor. GPU. Realme 10 Pro Plus is Mali G68MC4. Vivo Y22s is Adreno 610. RAM. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 6GB, 8GB, and 12GB. Vivo Y22s is 4GB, 6GB, and 8GB. ROM. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 128GB and 256GB. Vivo Y22s is 128GB. Front camera. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 16MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Vivo Y22s is 8MP wide-angle camera with 1080p video recordings. Back camera. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 108MP wide, 8MP ultra wide, and 2MP macro camera with 720p, 1080p and 4K video recordings. Vivo Y22s is 50MP wide, 2MP macro and 2MP depth camera with 1080p video recordings. Connectivity. Realme 10 Pro Plus is GSM, CDMA, HSPA, CDMA 2000, LTE, and 5G. Vivo Y22s is GSM, HSPA, and LTE. Battery. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 5000 mAh battery with 67 watt fast charging. Vivo Y22s is 5000 mAh battery with 18 watt fast charging. Market price. Realme 10 Pro Plus is 8GB by 128GB prices approximate 30,000 BDT. Vivo Y22s is 6GB by 128GB price is approximate 23,000 BDT. Recommendation. Realme 10 Pro Plus is recommended for low-end gaming, mid-end photography, and mid-end videography. Vivo Y22s is recommended for low-end gaming, low-end photography, and low-end videography.